ASAN Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this very brief and short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Asana INC stock, it's already, you know, 17, almost 17% dollars. I can tell you that, like, you can see how my chart looked like beforehand. I'm not looking at Asana stock and just being bullish and saying that I'm gonna buy. I'm not trying to be fake kind here. I'm trying to be nice. And I'm not trying to be nice, I'm trying to be kind. So in this particular instance, what this means that I do have like a lot of freaking volume there set up, and the only thing that will make this be a sell side for me is if there's a double break. And if I don't see this taking a place, then there's no way that I'm going to be selling. So, you know, I'm just saying, if no rules are met, why the heck would I sell? Makes no sense to me. So if you do want to learn how I make it 5 to 10K per month trading, then just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and, you know, I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.